Okay, so up in my barn, it's just getting cluttered. I'm putting bikes up there, just random stuff everywhere. Well, as for the bikes, they need to get off the ground. They're just in the way. So Harbor Freight has these little bike lifts. Super cheap, it's like $7.99, $8 for each one. So we're gonna install these, see how they are. I got a couple mill boards that I did with the chainsaw mill. So essentially, we're going to build them here in the garage, screw them to these guys, and then we can take this right to the trusses in the barn and screw it to the truss. And that way I'm not building anything up off the ground. It's done right here on the board, makes it super easy. Okay, so for the first one, let's go ahead and open it up. Kind of see what all we have. It actually came with screws, so that's good. Then you got your instructions. And then here's the rope. It's 46 feet of rope. It quickly lifts the bike for easy storage. Okay, so for the first step, it pretty much says measure your handlebars to the back of your seat of the bike you're using. And that's going to be the position of where your pulleys here are going to be positioned. So I've already went up and measured them. So both bikes, one's 31 inches and the other one's 28 inches. So this board here, we're going to do a 31 inch first, and then we'll measure from the pulley. Okay, so with the screws provided, it says to go ahead and just mount it either to the joist or to my mounting board that I'm choosing to do here. Alright, flip that over, and we'll make sure we're still 31 inches from pulley to pulley. Alright, so now we take our rope out. Let's hang this guy and make sure it works, that we got it configured correctly. So the hope is it'll go up here and then just span right there. Okay, so now that we got it all hung up there, let's try to lower it down. I guess that's good. And it kind of has a little catching mechanism up there to hold it. And here's the bike. So we'll see if this works. Alright, so I spread that to go underneath the handlebars. Let me raise it up a little bit. And the seat. Oh, I feel like it's going to fall on me. Well, it is hooked underneath. And we'll hook there. Okay, so now it's hooked. So let's see. We can take a look. I mean, it's hooked underneath the seat. And then just kind of hook it up there. Other than burning your fingers, your hands on the rope. Okay, so I got the other one hanging. I went ahead and went right next to it. We're going to lift the bike up and hopefully they don't hit each other. Okay, so I'm just going to cut the excess off. So you're going to go to lower the bike now. But look, I'm out of string. So, scratch the idea of cutting them short. You don't do that. I'm tying them back together so I can use it again. Alright. Shoot.
Okay.
Whatever you do, don't cut the excess off. So I cut the excess off. I wasn't even thinking when you go to lower the thing, you need the excess to lower it because you have no slack left if you cut it out. Luckily in my situation, I had like 30 foot left. So I was able to use the other half that I had chopped off and I had to restring it because I tried it by just tying them together. Well, duh, that don't work because then they don't go through the pulleys. So again, you just got to restring it. But yeah, so now all my excess, just coil it up, put it up there. Now the bikes are out of the way. Okay, so honest opinion, these things are $8. It's probably best if you do it with gloves on because the string here is actually pretty thin and it does hurt your hands, especially when lowering them because it kind of, you slide it through your hands, so it kind of burns your hands. I think they're worth it. $8, can't beat it. But guys, if you would, like, share, and subscribe, and we'll catch you on the next one. See you.